Yo, y'all know what it is. Tony Stick with us delivery service, man. Back with another YouTube video. I said it's time, man. It's time for me to make a video for y'all, man. It's been a minute. You know, I got a lot of things coming up. I got that class March 7th, teaching y'all how to start a cargo van business, doing dispatch training. It's gonna be like a 4-hour class. If you see the description where it says more, I'll leave the link in the description so you all can sign up for that class. Get this training. I will have special guests on here. I will have other owner-operators and fleet owners come on, speak, talk, and, you know, give y'all the game. Tell them, you know, how they was able to do what they did and, you know, how they able to make $1 million a year, $500,000, $250,000, 100,000, whatever it is, you know. I just like to show results. That's how I like to move. I don't care like what's somebody say. I don't care about none of that. I just want to show you results. I just feel like action and results speak louder than anything. Like they say, women lie, men lie, but numbers don't. And so I just let the numbers speak for themselves. And those of you that's gonna be in this game, man, you know, be ready to put the work in, man. You know, and that's just what it is, man. You know, like even with me, right? Even when people join my program, my tier 2 program is a 6-month program. My 1% program is a 1-year program. I got people in the tier 2 program I've been rocking with for years. You know what I'm saying? And they've been highly successful in this game. You know, to be a black man and learn something and be able to teach others what I've learned, and actually to like see people feeding their families and seeing people, you know, getting multiple millions every year. I mean, like, you can't write it. My first millionaire come from Atlanta, Georgia. You know, and then one of my other millionaires, he's from Atlanta, Georgia. So it's like, and then we got some out of Cali, everywhere, Chicago, Maryland, Florida. You know, I got 11 millionaires, man. And you know, and just to be able to do that is amazing. And that's why for me, like, a lot of times when I tell people you gotta follow the blueprint, you really need to follow the blueprint. I say blueprint for a reason. That means that I have things that's in place for you to succeed. And even on top of that, you got me. You have access to me. This is my phone number. If you got my number, I did 8 million last year. So if you got this number, because I don't know how to break through no more to certain people. If you got this number and I'm telling you what you need to do, and you don't do it, at the end of the day, you got to look yourself in the mirror. Because that's just like if you go to college and you have a professor and your professor telling you, hey, you got this quiz, you got this test, you need to study for it so you can pass. So if I'm giving you a quiz or a test and telling you you need to study for it so you can pass, and you don't even study nothing and you just try to, you know, I forgot what it is, a word. Y'all said in the comment, what's that word they used to say, Christmas tree it? You just Christmas tree the test. You're going to fail. You know what I'm saying? But the flip side of that, I will say to y'all, is that and God always showed me this, because I had somebody tell me, why should they build a relationship with a dispatch company or a carrier company? How can that person help me? That person is only giving me 80 cents, 90 cents a mile, some loads $1, every now and then $2 a load. Why should I build a relationship with them? And to answer that question, if that's the mindset you have, then you should just go work a job. You should have a 9-to-5. Because your mindset is not business. Anybody in this world, and I'll even let y'all, you know, the people that watch this, y'all let me know if I'm wrong. It doesn't matter, even if you got a 9-to-5, if you build a good relationship with that 9-to-5, what's going to happen? 9 times out of 10, they're going to put you in a better position to make more money. So that's how it works in anything in America. Build a relationship so you can make more money. And if you're not able to make money, I guarantee you will learn something from the experience that will help you make more money. You got to be open-minded. I used to be very closed-minded. I used to not think outside the box, and until I went away to the feds. When I went away to the feds, I had a situation where I was in a room, just got in there with these 2 guys, and they had something going on in the room, and I was unaware of it, and it was, man, if I tell y'all what it was, it's like, it don't even make sense. Like I call this the free world. To the free world, this shit won't make sense to y'all. But I'm gonna tell you, it was this simple, right? So we had a counselor, I forgot his name, but he didn't want nobody to have shoe boxes in the room. I just got in the room. He said, whose shoebox this is? I said, I don't know. I just got in this room. He said, well, if you don't, how you don't know whose shoebox this is, and if you don't know whose shoebox this is, I'm gonna shake this whole cell down. You need to get that shoebox out of here. So me being new, I'm saying to myself, I'm not finna touch these. My homeboy LB shout out to LB. My homeboy LB co-signed for me to even get in these guys' room. So what I look like taking this man shoebox and throw it in the garbage. You know, in my mind, you thinking I'm coming from the free world, so I'm thinking like that could be a huge issue. But I learned later on, it was a big thing. You know, the two dudes was mad, you know, because they had a lot of stuff going on, cigarettes, all that type of stuff going on. My homeboy LB said, Tony, come on, let's walk the track. That's what we used to do. We'll walk the track. So we walking the track. He said, bruh, I know you new in prison. He said, but you're going to have to learn how to be open-minded and read the room. Now I call it reading the room. You got to be able to read the room. And the reason he said that was, he said, bro, it don't matter whose shoebox that is. If they would have shook that, they call it shake. If they would have shook that cell down, all y'all would have got locked up and went into the shoe. The shoe is the hole. And I'm like, how? And he's like, bro, them boys got stuff going on in there. Woo, woo, woo. You know what I'm saying? And I'm like, damn. But now I know. Now I'm more open-minded to stuff. And that's what I tell people. Like, so if someone that's well-skilled in the game, been in the game for years, if I'm telling you something, I ain't telling you nothing that's going to hurt you. I'm telling you something that's going to help you. You think I got, like, I mean, if y'all watch my social media, y'all see how many results and how many testimonials that I post. That speak for itself. I don't have to say nothing. That should be enough for you to have enough common sense to be like, damn, that man really get people up and running. If you know, you know. But the flip side of that, then this is what I'm gonna tell y'all, cause God, I'm in my M60 today, y'all, and the engine be roaring on this car. Like, and I'm barely touching it, right? This car is different, I swear. This car is different. I swear I could be the yours. I swear I could be the yours. Yeah, this thing real now. Hard work pays off. But real talk though, God always showed me certain things. And the reason I'm saying this, right, is because I can have somebody that may not be getting it. And in the past, I did find out I did have somebody that had a learning disorder, but they never disclosed that with me. And I wish they would have, because I could have trained them in a different way, or just, you know, been teaching them a lot more things, or just, you know, just being just more hands-on. I was already hands-on, but I could have gave even more hands-on if that's what it called for. I'm not tripping on that, but I'm saying all that to say this, y'all. Y'all hear the engine? It's crazy. That's for all my car. Y'all heard y'all? That's all my car lovers out there. I love a fast car, I'm not gonna lie. But I'm saying all that, y'all, real talk, right? I'm saying all that to say this, right? I can have somebody like not understanding things, not getting it, and all of that type of stuff, right? I can have somebody like that, right? And then on the flip side, right, that same day, I can have somebody hit me up and say, man, Tony, I just want to thank you, bro, because now I just made $110,000 in 1 year because of your training and what you teach me, and I only pay you $3,000, and you made $110,000 a year. Like, that's the math, not even math. You gave me $3,000 and I helped you make 110 in 1 year. You gotta, for me, I don't care what my mentees make. That's your money. That's you. I'm so happy for you. You feel me? Just like when they paid $3,000 and now they made $1 million or $2 million for the year. I'm ecstatic because you was able to invest in me and believe in me and what I had going on to help change your life in the direction of your family, man. And that's what we do this for. So I had somebody like not trying to be, they were trying to be difficult. And that's why I say my tier 2 is a 6-month program, because really, and I had to talk to one of my peers about, you know, a situation, and they told me, they say, Tony, if you would have cut that off, they wouldn't even have been with you after those 6 months. But you so nice, and that's one of your flaws. You love helping people. I don't know, man. I'm just really big on making sure a person get up and running. And sometimes it do bite me in the ass. You know what I'm saying? But I'm not tripping, because at that same time, God will show you why I'm here on this earth and why I'm here to serve my purpose. Because in that same time, somebody had hit me and was like, yo, bro, man, I really appreciate you, man. You know how much money I just made? And that's what made me feel good. My mentee say, yo, I bought your program 3 months ago, and I've been doing this for 2 months, and I already done made $25,000 in 2 months. So when someone say something like that to me, man, it let me know, like, okay, I'm serving my purpose and I'm doing what I'm supposed to do. And that's the beauty of this, man. So like I told y'all, man, I don't want to talk y'all head off too much, but I got the class is on March 7th, 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's going down. I'm going to teach you about the cargo van business. I'm going to teach you how to dispatch loads. If you want to become part of the team and you're ready to get up and running ASAP, then text READY to 772-362-1777, and I'm going to get you up and running ASAP. Because that's what I do. ASAP, ASAP, ASAP. You feel me? So like I said, man, I appreciate y'all, man. Thank y'all for always being a part of my movement. Thank y'all for always holding it down. You know, and following that blueprint, man. That blueprint is extremely important, because if you follow that, it's going to change your life. And it's just that simple. If you follow that blueprint is going to change your life. Period. It's that simple. And I ain't got nothing else to say. And I'm going to see y'all on the next video. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button. I'll be getting to y'all real soon. Stick with us. Yeah.